in this kata we need to do next thing. They call it break camelCase. So we have an example here. It's best to understand something through the example, in my opinion. So they will give us a string, hello world, but they want to, we need to output hello world like this. We need to add that white space between uppercase letter and normal case letters. When the new word starts, we want to add that space, empty space. Okay, how we will do that? First, we need that, let's name it final string, that we will return it. And it's empty for now. And at the end, I will return that final string. Now I need to fill it in. So I want to do what? I'll make a for loop that loops through this given string s. Okay, this is that given string s. For letter in that string s, in s, we want to do what? We want to, so first letter will be H, then E, then L, and we want to add all those letters to our final string. But when we hit the uppercase letter, we want to add empty space and then that uppercase letter, and then continue normal. Like, sounds pretty simple, right? And it is. Okay. How we will do that? First, let's add that letter to our final string. Final string plus equals letter. So it will add letter to final string. This plus equals, this is the same if I write like this. Final string equals to final string plus letter. These two are the same, but if I add hashtag sign, it's a comment, so it won't affect anything. So it's adding to final string, adding. But once it's hit this W, or in this case C, it needs to add that white space. So I'll actually do this after. First I want to check, is that letter an uppercase? So if there is a function that checks is a letter or a string uppercase. If it is, it returns true. If it's not, it returns false. So if letter dot, the function is called is uppercase, is upper, empty brackets. So if the letter is uppercase, it will be true, and we want to do what? We want to take this final string plus equals, we want to add this empty space. It's just like this, empty string, empty space, and then we want to add that capitalized, that uppercase letter. Okay, and here, because this is if that letter is upper, but if it is not an uppercase, we would just want to add a normal letter. So else, and we do this. We just need to press few times space. Okay, this should work. Test. We test all these three cases. Test, and it's working. I can actually write a print statement to see, so you can see how this final string is building up. Final string. So test. We know it's working, but this is only, so it goes final string H, E, L, O, but when it comes to W, it adds 2. it adds this empty, and then it adds W, and then it continues normal until it again hits the uppercase letter. And let's attempt this for the, yeah, all 53 tests passed. That's it for this one. Thank you for watching.